morning.
Yes.
Everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay, tonight's Sunday night. Tomorrow morning, homeschool starts for you three. So tonight is our schedule reveal and virtual lesson on time. So raise your hand if you're ready. Okay, let's first talk about time. So, before we can do our schedule, we have to know and understand how a clock works.
I know how.
So,
Can you do like
stop talking, please. Now, there are two hands on a clock.
Ooh, ooh.
Big hand.
Point at the owl. No.
Please raise your hand and don't talk until called upon. There is a big hand on the clock and a small hand on the clock.
Oh, that's 3 o'clock.
So, let's practice raising our hands. Who can raise your hand, and if you're at home, play along, and tell me, what does the small hand on the clock represent? Amora.
The minute hand.
The small hand tells us, it points to the
3
Rome?
hour.
Hour.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Small equals hour. Hand. Okay, now, this one's tricky at home. Pay attention.
Hey.
Anybody know what the big hand on the clock points to?
Wow.
Mora.
The minute hand.
The minute hand. So, Izzy, this question is for you.
Ma. Teacher.
Israela Marie Boyd, the small hand is pointing to this number, which is, Izzy?
3.
Good job. The big hand is pointing to what number, Rome?
6.
12. What does the 12 mean? Because the big hand is the minute hand. Does that mean that it's 12 minutes?
No, that's.
No, it means
I asked Rome.
it means that it's been a full hour. So if it starts there and it clicks all the way back to the 12, that means it's a full hour.
It's a full hour. So, if the big hand is pointing to the 12, what do we write after the hour? We put 3, ... And then what do we put for the minutes? If we don't put 12, Amora?
A 0 and then another 0.
0, 0. Okay?
Ooh, attack.
So, let's try a different one. Let's practice.